Hello, welcome back to my course again. In this video I'm going to show you how to create a Facebook group that generates sale. So to create a Facebook group, just go manage group from your Facebook profile and then create a group. Click here. I'm not going to do that because I already have created a group for this purpose. I'm going to clicking my group. So same as page, creating a page. So I'm not gonna show you all. So I am create this group for test purpose for this course. So you can see this group and take an idea. Here you need to again create a group cover from Canva. You can easily do that. I'll show you that. So choosing a name, always choose a group name like Aliexpress fashion shopping, Aliexpress shopping, like this. Then you get more traffic to your Aliexpress group. For example, you can just type Aliexpress in Facebook search and then select group. Here you can see the group name Aliexpress. Here Aliexpress official inside club. This is the official group of aliexpress.com. So here you can see also take idea for your group post and other thing. Also in this group also you can comment your affiliate link, and also you can post a review about affiliate product in this group. And there are so many group that you can use for to do that. Just you need to find the right affiliate group that generates sale. So that's it for this video. Now I'll see you in the next video.